We're here today just outside Oban, a 180 square metre new build property. This property is one of our ground source heat pump systems. So what we have is a plant area in the centre of the house. This property has underfloor heating to the ground floor and radiators to the first. This is where all the plant is housed in the house. This is the ground source heat pump itself. It's a Nibe 1245 8 kilowatt. In here we have the compressor module and the hot water cylinder. So we have 180 litres of hot water in here. Over on the right here we have a 200 litre accumulator tank for the heating system, and in the middle we have the underfloor heating manifold. So all in all, quite a simple system. Just to the right of the ground source heat pump we have the brine pipes. So these are taking the fluid out into the field and then bringing it back in through the compressor and then back out again. So in this system we have a horizontal collector laid in a peat bog just outside the property. At the moment we're bringing the brine in at 10 degrees, extracting 5 degrees of energy and returning it at 5 degrees. It then comes back in again at 10 and repeats the process. So I'll go and have a look where these two pipes go. As I said, these are the brine pipes going to the horizontal collector. If we pop outside here, so these two pipes come out from the property, go into this field area here. We have 400 metres of pipe in this system. It extends just about out to that power pole there, from this fence, and then across to the fence on the far side. So around about half of that area is where the trenches are laid. Running costs for a house this size and ground source heat pump is around about £650 a year for all your heating and hot water. This system was also able to benefit from the interest-free loan available from the Scottish Government. This covers 75% of the installation cost. It also benefits from the Domestic Renewable Heat Incentive, which offers payments every 3 months for a period of 7 years. So the system more than pays for itself over the tariff. It's also a much neater and modern solution than traditional fossil fueled systems, and I say it offers excellent performance characteristics. There's actually no combustion in the process. It also offers one of the lowest maintenance of any system type. This system was installed by Ferguson Energy, based in Oban on the west coast of Scotland, in July 2016.